Hello everyone, so in this video I will be showing you how to set your Spotify songs as your ringtone. So the first thing we need to do is simply go to the App Store and make sure you download GarageBand and Ringtones Maker. And once you've downloaded them, you go to Spotify and record any song that you like. So for example, I'll be recording this song using the screen record feature. And make sure you record the part that you actually like. Wait for it a bit. And once I'm done recording that, I tap on pause and I also stop the recording. And once I'm done, I go to Ringtones Maker, wait for it to load. It has a lot of ads. And once I'm here, I tap on plus and I tap on import video and I tap on the video that we just recorded. And we wait for the ads. We skip the video. And then once I'm here, I tap on make. And I wait for a few seconds for it to load. And I search for GarageBand. You just swipe it. If you can see it here, you can just find it all the way here. So I tap on GarageBand. Let me adjust this for you. So once we're here, we go to this one. Then we tap on plus gear icon. Below the gear icon in the top right corner. And then we tap on the 15 bars. Make it 30. Tap on done. And then once we're done with that, we go to the top left corner and tap on the arrow. And we tap on my songs. And we long press this one. And we scroll down until we see share. Once you see share, you tap on ringtone. And you can name this anything you like. I'll just name this test. And you export. Wait for it to export. And you tap on use sound as. Make sure you don't press OK. You press on use sound as. And you tap on standard ringtone. Okay, that is it. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.